Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Rog here once again, and tonight I'm going to be cooking something really exciting. Well, I think it's exciting myself. It's pork chops in a sweet and sour sauce. Now let me introduce you to these beautiful pork chops here. Lovely and fresh from the butchers they are. And here are the ingredients that we're going to be using. I'll start at the back. We're going to need a little bit of corn flour obviously for thickening, but also to make the pork chops much more sort of tender and succulent, which it does. I've got some soy sauce, some Worcestershire sauce, some honey that we've got down here, some cayenne pepper or chili pepper. This is a sort of powder form. Here we've got some whole grain mustard and some tamarind. This tamarind is going to give it this nice sort of sour taste, this sort of crispy sour taste. Can of tomatoes, and also we're going to need some brown sugar. Now, any sort of brown sugar will do. I'm going to be using this brown Demerara, this light brown sugar. So firstly I'm going to take a bowl, and in the bowl I'm going to put the tin of chopped up tomatoes, followed by the corn flour, 2 teaspoons of that should be fine, and of course we're going to give this a bit of a mix to get it all incorporated. Then in we go with the tamarind. I'm not going to use too much of this, it's quite strong and that gives it the sour taste. Then the whole grain mustard, 1 teaspoon of that. Then 2 teaspoons full of this beautiful runny honey. That's going to give it the sweetness that we need. Along with a tablespoon of brown sugar. Pop that in. Then a nice hefty glug of soy sauce, and Worcestershire sauce, and of course our cayenne pepper. Then we give this all a good mix together, and don't forget guys, you can change all these ingredients to suit yourself, because we all haven't got the same taste buds, have we? Now into my roasting tin I go with these pork chops. I lay them out nice and neatly with little gaps in between to let our sauce go in all the little crevices and get all over the pork chops and sneak underneath as well. Now we can go on with the sauce. Doesn't that look lovely? And I'm telling you guys, it's not cooked, but it smells delicious already, and it's starting to look good too. So when we've done all of this, we go on with the lid and off to the oven. Now we want the oven set at gas mark 3, and in it goes for about 2 hours, because we want these pork chops to be really nice and tender. Okay, time's up, and doesn't that look magnificent? Absolutely delicious. I think it's about time for our taste test, don't you? Get a little bit on the fork there, and off we go. Well, that's turned out really good. I've had this one before, I love it. Sweet and sour pork. I can taste the sourness of the tamarind and the sweetness of the honey and sugar and the flavours. It's brilliant, please try it for yourself. And while we're on this subject, don't forget, press this little button down here, this little one down here, and you can subscribe to my channel. It's free. Anyway, see you all again next time guys, and bye for now.